Hello, my name is John Rock and I'm a partner at DoxAdvisors. Welcome to another in our series of Docs Tips videos. Here's where you learn tips on how to be more productive with the features in Worldox. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the Worldox WorkZone feature. Ever wonder why that square green icon sits on top of your desktop? Well, that is the Worldox WorkZone, and it is a very helpful tiny icon. So stick around and let me show you how it can save you time getting documents into Worldox. There are several scenarios where the Worldox WorkZone icon comes in handy. Let's say you have a document on your desktop that you need to make a copy of in Worldox. Your options are to open it and do a save, or the other option is simply drag it over top of the WorkZone icon, release your mouse, and now you can profile that document directly into Worldox. Another scenario is that you may have a file in a folder somewhere and you need to make a copy of that into Worldox. Open up the folder, drag the document over the WorkZone icon, release it, fill out your profile card, and now you can make a copy of that document directly into Worldox as well. And a third scenario is, as you're reviewing your emails, you may have an attachment that needs to be saved into Worldox, and the email is irrelevant. You can take that attachment, drag it up over the WorkZone icon, release it, fill out your profile card, and save a copy of that document into Worldox too. And there are three scenarios where the Worldox WorkZone icon can be your friend. Any digital content that you have on your computer, videos, photographs, emails, documents, WAV files, anything can be dragged up over this WorkZone icon and it will make a copy of that into Worldox. And there you have the benefits of the WorkZone icon which hangs out on your desktop. I hope you enjoyed this Docs tip today. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel. Click in the link in the description below for information on our Worldox Academy, where we take you from novice to expert at your own pace. Thank you.